Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I'm sorry for not uploading for last week. I didn't really have that many ideas at my disposal, but that's okay. Because today we're going to do a brand new tutorial. It's going to be about Driver Easy. It's a program basically where you update your drivers. Now, if you don't know what drivers are, they're very important for keeping your PC updated and just not having that many problems. So first of all, we'll just go to your web browser and type in drivereasy.com. And I will leave a link down below. And of course, it's going to tell you, this is the first thing you're going to see, how to update your drivers in Windows 11, 10, and 7. So all you gotta do is just scroll down. Just keep scrolling down until you find this compare products. So you got the Lights, $0, basically free. The Pro version, $29.95 for 3 PCs. And the technician version for about $100. So because if you want to download the free version, you could go ahead. That's exactly what I did. I just clicked the download button right here for the free version right here. It doesn't have that many features, but it still does the job, which basically just updates your drivers. So click on your Windows Explorer, and it should be on your downloads folder, or you could just like manually direct it to the place you want it to be installed in. So just double click on it. And maybe a UAC could pop up, or a smart screen prompt, or it could just open by itself without any prompts coming up. So just give it a quick second right here, and I'll pause the video. Alright, a smart screen prompt just came, so just click run. And a UAC prompt also popped up, so both of the prompts that I thought could pop up. So alright, that's okay. So, of course, the first thing that's going to pop up is the setup language, of course, English, or choose whatever language you want. Install Driver Easy. So just click continue. Let me drag. Oh, I can't drag the window. So we're going to, it's going to be looking for data. This could take up to 10 seconds. And now it's finally downloaded. This is very fast, actually. Kind of surprised. And all done. Now you can just open Driver Easy. As simple as that. And it's going to give you a little bit of a, website. I think is going to be thanking you for the fact that you installed Driver Easy. Alright, so let me just close down my internet, my Windows Explorer, sorry. So as you can see, this is the home page. This is the first thing you see once you install and open Driver Easy. So this is the first page, the scan page. So just click a scan if you want to scan, and Driver Easy will check for all the outdated drivers that you need to install. So I won't be doing that, or you could just click update, which will update all the drivers that you have to update, and it's going to restart your computer most likely, so these drivers could be applied. But I'm not going to do any of that. This is just mostly a demonstration kind of thing. And once it reaches 100%, as you can see, I got a lot of updates. A lot of drivers I gotta update. Like for example, my HD camera here, my 6th generation Intel processor, a few drivers, my graphics. My graphics drivers, and these are all certified, by the way. So don't think these are some malicious viruses that will probably break your computer. Nope, none of that stuff is in Driver Easy. It's all certified by a lot of it's first of all verified by Driver Easy and certified by Microsoft itself. So you're pretty much good to go. You could click update all, and I'm pretty sure it's supposed to say restart or something like that. I never really use this software, but I just found this software kind of interesting. So it's obviously going to tell you last scan, the scan that you did, how long did you make it, and some hardware info, I believe, on your device probably. Alright, that took a little while, but as you can see, these are some of my little information related to my computer right here. So it's going to give a lot of that stuff. You could also save this as a notepad file, which is really nice. So it's just giving you an overview of your CPU, a lot of detail about it. So what code name is it? It's a Skylake, sorry. It's a 6th gen i5. Motherboard, what type is it? Memory, is it like DDR4? Is it 2600 megahertz or something like that? Stuff like that. It's very, very useful. So it just gives you an overview, and of course updates your driver, which is the whole entire the whole entire purpose of this piece of software. Let's now go to the tools bar right here. Got a lot of things related to drivers backup in case if maybe a driver doesn't work, or driver uninstall. You could uninstall a specific driver from this kind of thing. So it's kind of giving you a little bit of a device manager layout, kind of like a device manager. Hang on a minute, let me open device manager here so I can show you how kind of similar it is. If I could just open it here. If we could just look, well, accidentally opened two, my bad. If we could just see right here, it's very similar. You got the little categories and everything, and it's very useful as well. Now the thing is, I mean, a lot of people could be saying, oh, you could just go to device manager, like I said, and for example, HP HD camera. So driver easy, it said that there is a driver Agata updates for related to my HD camera right here. I'm just gonna go to update driver, search automatically for drivers. There's literally nothing. There's nothing. It says this is the best driver for your device, but in Driver Easy, which is more advanced, it'll tell you that you have an driver update specifically for that piece of hardware. That most likely device manager won't show you. So yeah, this is a little bit of a demonstration of this program. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.